Hi guys, I hope all is well. So we have an O-level past paper question from the year 2018. The session is October-November. This is question number 5. We'll calculate the area of a triangle, area of a sector, and percentage of shaded area. So let's start. The question in front of us has a circle with a rectangle inside it which is partially shaded. The question reads AC and BD are diameters of the circle with center O. AC is 12 centimeters and AOB is 130 degrees. Calculate the area of triangle AOB. In order to find the area of triangle AOB, you need the length of this side and the length of this side, which is half of the diameter. So this is going to be 6 centimeters. And then we use trigonometry to find the area. So the area can be found by multiplying half by 6 by 6 by sine 130 degrees. Let's find out what that is. 0.5 times 6 times 6 times sine 6 times sine 130 degrees. So the area comes out to be 13.8 centimeters squared. Let's write the answer over here, 13.8. The next part of the question says calculate the area of the sector AOD. That means they've asked us to find the area of this sector. So we need the angle of this part, which I believe is 180 minus 130. So first we do that. 180 minus 130 gives us 50 degrees. So this part is 50 degrees. Now we use the area of a circle's formula to find the area of this sector. So area of AOD is equal to 50 over 360, because that's the part of the triangle that we of the sector of the circle that we're trying to find the area for, times 3.142 times the radius squared, or pi r squared. So let's find what we get. 50 over 360 times 3.142 times 6 squared. The area comes out to be 15.7 centimeters squared. 15.7 centimeters squared. So we write the answer over here, 15.7 centimeters squared. Okay, let's talk about the last part of the question. It says calculate the percentage of the area of the circle that is shaded. For that, we need to find different areas and add them together. So first of all, we need to find the area of AOB and DOC. Fortunately, we do have the area of triangle AOB, which is 13.8 centimeters squared. The area of DOC would also be 13.8 centimeters squared. So let's add the two first. So area of triangle AOB and triangle DOC is the same. So we add them together or multiply this by 2. We get 27.6 centimeters squared. Okay, but we're not done with the question yet. We do need the area of this part and of this part. So how do we find that? We would need to find the area of sector AOD, which we do have already, which is 15.7, and subtract the area of the triangle AOD. So let's find the area of the triangle AOD first. So area of triangle AOD can be found by multiplying 1 over 2 by 6 by 6 by sine 50. So the area comes out to be 0.5 times 6 times 6 times sine 50. The area comes out to be 13.8 centimeters squared. Okay, so 13.8 centimeters squared is the area of the triangle AOD. Did I make a mistake in this? No. Yeah. So now we need the area of this sector AOD, which is 15.7. So we subtract the two. We subtract 13.8 from 15.7 minus 13.8. What do we get? 15.7 minus 13.8. The answer that we get is 1.9 centimeters squared. This is the area of the shaded part over here. Now we multiply it by 2 because the area on this side would be the same. So when we multiply 1.9 by 2, multiplied by 2, we get times 2, we get 3.8. So 3.8 centimeters squared is the area of the smaller shaded part at either ends, or we can call it the area of the segment AOD and the segment BOC. So now we have the total shaded area, which is, let's write that, total shaded area is going to be 27.8 plus 3.8, which gives us, 27.8, which gives us 31.6 centimeters squared. This is the area of the shaded part, but the question asks us find the percentage of the shaded area. So we need the area of the entire circle. How do we find that? Area of circle can be found by pi r squared. So we do 3.142 times 6 times 6, and we get 3.142 times 6 times 6. The total area that we get is 113.112 centimeters squared. Okay, to find the area, to find the percentage of shaded area, we do 31.6 over 113.112 times 100. So 31.6 divided by 113.112 times 100 gives us 27.9%. So that is your answer. 27.9% is the shaded area. 27.9. I hope this question made sense. The complete working of this question is present in the description below for you to download. If you like this video, hit the subscribe button, and thank you so much for watching.